Hey everyone, Happy New Year's Eve, and it's hard to believe that we're saying goodbye to 2024 and 2025 is just around the corner. Before we dive in, let me introduce the stars of the show. Molly, say hi to the camera. Okay, well, she doesn't want to say hi to the camera. And, okay, you can go now. Oliver, come here. Come here. Oh. And this is Oliver. I had to go get him because he's camera shy. Yeah, he loves chin rubs. Okay, you can go now. And then this is Jessie. I don't know if she's made an appearance, but yeah. So they are a big part of my life behind the scenes. And I figured it was about time they get a proper introduction. As I look back on 2024, it's been a year of growth, adventure, and a lot of learning. There were many highlights, but a few stand out. I got to meet the wonderful human being called Ryan Van Duzer, who inspired me to get off my couch and get out there bikepacking. Another highlight was connecting with all of you through the likes, the comments, and the support for this channel to help me grow. Of course, not everything was easy. A few of those come to mind as well, like trying to wrap my head around this editing software and pushing the limits physically to just about the breaking point. But those moments, they taught me and shaped me in ways that I can't explain. It changed me in here, and hopefully it made this channel a little more authentic and meaningful for all of us. Looking ahead to 2025, I'd like to set a few goals. I'd like to hit 1,000 subscribers for the channel and try a couple different editing styles. Also, I'm working on my Part 107 drone license, and as you all know, I like to fly my drone. August 2nd of 2025 is the Dam Ride, the day across Minnesota. It's 240 some odd miles, and opening starts on the 2nd of January. So, if I can get a ticket, I'm gonna give it my best shot. But enough about me. What about you? What are some of your dreams and goals for 2025? Let me know in the comments below, and I'd love to cheer you on. But before I go, I just want to say a massive, massive, massive thank you for being here, watching all the way to this point in the video. And again, thank you for supporting this channel. Just by watching and liking and commenting, you made 2024 a remarkable and an unforgettable year. Here's to 2025, a year filled with adventure, connection, and growth. Happy New Year, everyone, and we'll see you in 2025.